Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32, and I'm coming to you today with a shopping video. And as you saw in the description, it is a shopping video with me at Burlington. I'm super excited to show you guys all the goodies there. So let's go ahead and hop into the video, honey. We are at Burlington. If you have not gone to Burlington for home decor, you are missing out. Not only on the array of decor that they have, but also the prices, honey. You have some of the same stuff that you see at Home Goods. Look at that for $15 at Burlington. $10 for 2 pieces of pictures. This beautiful sign here. You are missing out. I suggest, like you guys know, I love doing things on a budget, and that's what you're gonna find here on this channel. All kinds of things on a budget that you can decorate your house with. The 7x10 rug for $80, and not bad at all compared to what we've seen at Target, Home Goods, all those places. Burlington is to me, kind of a one-stop shop when it comes to home decor, clothing, that type of thing. So if this is something that you're looking for, I suggest you Google your nearest Burlington and head on over if this is something new to you. And while I have your attention, if this is type of content that you're interested in, my husband and I, we're also on a new home build journey. So if that's something that you like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But also over here on this channel, you will find cooking, cleaning, DIY, decor, almost everything over here on this channel. And also sometimes I do vlogs as well. But like I said, we're on a new home journey right now, so that is something that you should look forward to on this channel. Don't forget the subscribe button, notification bell, so that you're notified every time I put up a video. So that mat for the front door was only $12.99, guys. And did you see the detail on that? I mean, I think sometimes these types of stores get a bad rap, and I know it's because they're not put together so neatly like you have some of the other stores like Macy's and things of that nature. However, I think that's how they cut back on the cost on a lot of these things, because they're not paying a payroll for a lot of their employees. But that particular desk I was thinking about is $90. I was thinking about it for my daughter, and she's looking for a nice white desk for a vanity. This long pillow, $15. And again, guys, you've seen all these shopping videos here on YouTube, and you've seen some of these prices. If you're on this channel right now watching this video, I know you are a fan of shopping videos, so you know some of these prices. And Burlington sometimes just can't be beat. I think probably the only other store that may compete with Burlington is like Ross. I never could find the price on this particular mat, and I really liked it. I think eventually I did find the price or something like that for this particular brand. Yeah, here we go, $9.99. So that wasn't bad at all, and they're nice sizes. So if you have a large front porch, you probably can find your doormat here at Burlington. But there's all kinds of things. Look at all these rugs and pillows galore all over the store, y'all. And I just love it here. I love it. I mean, you can get your throws, those beautiful throws that you like for your couches and stuff, and you can switch them up too from season to season. Right now, everybody's shopping for fall decor. You can find it here at Burlington. Look, there's a spring pillow. Hello, spring. That's for next year. If that's something that you want to go ahead and get now and put it away, that's fine. But they have it here. Look at the cute little Halloween throw for fall. My daughter and I, we love going to Burlington, and it's rare that we walk out of this store with nothing in our hands. Like, it is really rare, unless we're like on a mission for one particular thing. Most of the time we're going to come out of that store with something. But look at that, 2 pillows by BB for $17.99, and it's in a rare color, that shimmery gold. And so that's another thing, you're going to find some things that you may not find at other stores. I mean, if you're looking for metallic and gold pillow, and you can find 2 for under $20, I think you're winning there. Then look at this, a 4-piece window set by Talia Sodi, and it was only $30 for 4 pieces, guys. 4 pieces, the shears and the panels on the outside. I mean, come on, where else are you going to go to find something like that? Now, me particularly, I don't think I'm going to be able to find the actual curtains I'm looking for my new home build, only because I'm going to want them extra long. And I don't know if they come that long at Burlington, but of course, you know your girl, I'm going to shop for it. Look at this. Another great find here is a lot of kitchen food items. And I have to say, some of these food items look like they're very high-end quality type of food products. You know, it may not be your, I guess, normal brands, but yeah, like the trail mix for $4.99 with the omega-3 mix, so you know, nice and healthy. I say that you can get some of those things and put them in your kitchen. Oh, you don't even have to use them. If you just want them to look like you have high-end, you know, things that you cook with, why not? So don't ever say I didn't tell you anything. That could help you out, you know, just with the whole aesthetic of your new kitchen, or even your own kitchen. You can revamp it. I've done it plenty of times here in the current home that we live in. So here's $5.99 for this beautiful kitchen set here for the measuring spoons and measuring cups. And then here's your spatula and nice spoon. It's plastic but nice handle for $4.99. I think that's really pretty too. But I would say too, oh, look at the beautiful coffee mugs for fall. I think they were all $3.99. I would say, guys, you know, maybe put $5 or $10 away, you know, every pay period or something like that. Or maybe, you know, not get your Starbucks one day or your cheeseburger and fries one day and put that money to the side and buy you something that's nice just for you. Even if it's just a plant that you put on your bedside table or something you put in the middle of your dining room table, just to, you know, make yourself feel good when you come home. And you'll see that it'll start having a ripple effect, because you'll buy one little piece and then you're like, oh, well, let me get something else that's nice, you know. And Burlington is a place I feel like you can go and do just that. I love the store. Just really nice when it comes to home decor. Look at all the pillows. I mean, 2 to a pack. It's really good. Look at those mats right there for your car. I bought those for Christmas for my son and my husband last year. Sometimes Burlington has a clearance aisle, and I'll go down there. But also here is like a soap dispensary for $4 for your bathroom. Really nice things. So yeah, guys, just check everything out. Go to Burlington. I highly suggest it. This is for your kitchen, $7.99. I highly suggest it. But again, thank you guys so much. I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I hope that I was able to inspire you in some kind of way, that you love what you've seen at Burlington, because I know I always find great things. So thanks again, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye. Alright guys, thank you again so much for watching my video. But if you would like to stay in contact with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can do so by following me on Facebook at Darkberry032 and Darkberry32 on Twitter and Instagram. I'm always on Instagram putting up different videos. And again, if you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button. That would help me out a lot with YouTube, and it'll get my algorithms up to par and everything. So if you guys appreciate these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. Okay guys, thank you again. Bye.